Hi there. If you've ever opened Blender and thought, what on earth is going on here? I can't learn this, this is too complicated, you're in the right place. I'm Eddie, I'm a professional 3D designer, and I've put together what's probably one of the most complete step-by-step Blender courses on YouTube. It's over 35 hours long with 70 plus lessons, all designed to take things slowly and clearly and without the confusion. I'm not going to rush you, I'm not going to skip steps, and I'm definitely not going to leave you pausing every 5 seconds thinking, wait, what did he just say? We'll keep things simple, really simple. So if other tutorials have felt too fast or overwhelming, please stick around. We're going to learn Blender together by creating this classic Land Rover and environment. Hello and welcome to lecture 31, and we're going to start doing some work on the body. I think it's about time. This is going to get fun for a while now. We're going to see things move quite quickly, which is cool. So let's get started. So the first thing I think we should start on is something called the bulkhead. So let me bring some images, just drag them over from the other screen to show you. And there we go, there's a nice Series 1 Land Rover. And this is the bulkhead, this section here, which the doors are hinged to, and the bonnet is hinged to, and the windscreen is hinged to as well. So I think that's quite a good place to start, because from there we can build off it in all directions. So yeah, let's start there. I think we need a new reference image in, so let's press image and press open, and let's bring in this one. And this is what the bulkhead looks internally, so it's quite stepped. We've got a flat area, and then it sort of steps in, and then it steps in some more, and in the corner we've got these sort of chamfered areas as well. So we've got quite a little bit going on there, but we'll see what we can do. Sure, we can manage it. Okay, so let's make a start. So I think the first thing we need to do is get our cursor where we want it. Let's click on this cross member here and tab into edit mode on that. Let's make sure we can select faces. Grab that face there, and let's go over to select and select similar and select all coplanar. That will select all edges exactly on the same plane as that one. So that's cool. So let's press Shift S and let's press cursor to the selected. Let's tab out of edit mode on that one. Let's press Shift A and let's bring in a cube. Scale it down, of course. Let's press 7 on the numpad so we can see it from above. And let's scale it up in the X, so SX, and bring that up. And let's scale it down the Y, so SY. Let's bring it down a bit to about there. Take it back a little bit. And let's scale it up in the X, so SX. And let's scale it to about there, like that. See what it looks like from this angle. And we need to take it up so it just sits on top of the chassis. There we go, that's good. Let's tab into edit mode on that. Let's select that top face there. We'll press 3 on the numpad so we can see it from the side. And let's take that up so it's level with about there, I think. So about there. We can always bring it down if we need to. Once we've done that, let's tab into edit mode on it. And we shall press 2 so we can select edges. And let's press Ctrl R. And drop an edge right in the middle. Press 3 so we can select faces, and Z, and go into wireframe. Let's grab all these on this side, and we'll press X, and we'll delete faces. Let's go back into solid, and let's tap out of edit for a minute. And let's correct the scale, so Ctrl A, and apply rotation and scale. Let's add a mirror modifier to this. So add modifier, generate, and mirror. And the x-axis seems to be correct, so we'll leave that alone. And make sure clipping is turned on. Alright, where to go next? Let's tap back into edit mode on that. and make sure we can select edges, so press 2 on the keyboard. Grab that edge there and press Ctrl R and bring that loop over to about there like that. Press 3 so we can select faces. Grab that face there, press E and bring that down so it's level with the underside of this, whatever it is that. Okay, that's cool. It's a little too far over the whole bulkhead, so let's take it back a little bit. There we go. And now let's tap back into edit mode. Make sure we can select edges. And let's go right there. And I want to create this step here, so I need to bring a loop down to that point. So press Ctrl R and bring that to, I mean it's only a guess, but I'd say about there like that. Once that's done, press 3 so you can select faces. Grab this face here, press X and delete faces. And while we're at it, let's delete this face here, and even hold Shift and grab this one, and press X and delete those faces as well. There's not much left of it, is there? It'll all work out, don't worry. Let's press 2 so we can select edges. Grab this edge here and take that up a little bit. And grab this edge here and just take it over a little bit like that. Let's grab this edge here and this edge here, and let's extrude that in the Y. So E and Y, and just take that back like that. Let's grab this edge here now, and let's press Ctrl B, and let's pull that out so we get a nice bevel on that edge. I'm looking at that one. Is that too much? Probably a little too much. I think what I'll do is I'll just press Ctrl Z and cancel that command, and press Ctrl B and just try that again. That's better. That's more like it. Okay, once we've done that, let's grab this edge here, hold down Control, and grab that edge there. So we select all of that. And let's press E and S, and bring that in like this. Cool. Let's actually select vertices now. And let's select these vertices, leaving that middle one till the last. That's it. So we've got that one there, and select that one last. Right click and merge vertices at last. There we go. Let's actually grab this one here and this one here now, and bring that down to about there, I think, like that. And let's bring this one down as well. In fact, let's grab this one, and let's take those back a little bit. And while we're at it, let's level these two. So let's press S, X, and 0, enter. And we've put those two so they're vertical now with each other. Alright. Let's press 2 so we can select edges. Grab that edge there now. Press Ctrl R. And we'll bring that to about there like that. Let's grab this edge and this edge. And let's extrude those in the Z. So EZ. And pull those down to about there like that. We need to merge the vertices here now, so let's do that. So let's press 1. Let's grab this vertices here, then grab this vertices here, right click and merge vertices at last. Let's press 3 so we can select faces, grab this one, and press E and Y and take those back. Like that. Once we've done that, let's grab this face. Let's press E and Y and take that back the rest of the way. To about there, like that. That's cool. Let's grab these faces here and let's delete them. We don't need these. Press X and delete faces. Let's see if we can get a nice looking fillet in this corner. So press 2 so we can select edges. And this one and this one. Press Ctrl B and let's see if we can get a fillet here. Cool, that's good. Okay, let's now select this edge here and hold down Control, go all the way to there, and let's press Ctrl B and see if we can bevel that nicely. That's cool, that's what we want. And let's try this one, this one, this one. So let's add this one and this one. And hold Control and add this one. And now let's press Ctrl B and see if we can get a nice edge on those. And we can. Yeah, that looks good. That's cool. Okay, finally, let's grab this edge here and press Ctrl and grab that edge and see if we can get a nice bevel on this. Ctrl B. And let's see if we can bevel that one too. And we have a problem just there. The bevel was being restricted because of the mesh in this corner. So let's see what we can do about that. Let's press Ctrl Z a few times to bring that back. Let's grab that edge there, right click and dissolve edge. Now let's try that again. So I'll grab this edge here, hold Control, grab this edge here, and let's see if we can bevel that now. Control B, and just see, there we go, that's better. Now we have a nice edge on there. Okay, is there anywhere else we want to bevel? Shall we try for here? Let's try for here. So we're going to select that one there on the internal, hold Control, grab to there, and we'll just see what it does. Press Control B, and let's see how this bevels. And that's fine, that's going to give us what we want. That's cool. Okay, we're looking good. So let's do the last one here. So let's select here and here, and here and here. And let's press Control B, and let's bevel that as well. There we go. Let's got the top edge sorted. Let's tab out of edit mode on that, and let's have a look at it. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's right click on it and shade auto smooth. And we're already on 90 degrees just about. So let's actually try bringing that down, see what it does. And no, I think we'll leave that on. I think 30 is just fine. Yeah, that works nicely. Okay. That's cool. That's our bulkhead in place. Thanks very much. Save, shall we? So let's press Control S and we'll save our progress. So I just want to take a sec to talk about my website. If you're enjoying this tutorial and you like my take it steady, keep it simple approach, then why not head over to my website. There you can explore a range of courses I've created, including architectural visualizations and animation courses for Blender, or interior design courses learning to make photorealistic renders and animations specifically for Blender. If you're interested in learning AutoCAD, the most popular 2D design software in the industry, I've got you covered with a comprehensive course on that too. Plus, you'll get sneak peeks of upcoming courses so you can stay ahead of the game. To check it out, just click on the link in the description below and don't forget to use the discount code 20OFF to get, you've guessed it, 20% off all my courses. So now, let's get back to the tutorial. Thanks very much. Hello and welcome back to lecture 32. And in this lecture we'll complete the bulkhead. We've got a little bit of work to do. I'll just show you. Let's drag this image back in again, this nice looking Land Rover. And you can see the bulkhead has this little bracket attached to it here, or this weird shape, which I think is for a bolt for the windscreen to sort of pivot on. So we'll do that next. Let's pull that out the way. And actually there was something else that was bugging me a little, which is there's a little crease here in the back of this. So let's see if we can resolve that as well. So let's tackle that first. Let's tap into edit mode and let's press 3 so we can select faces. And we'll grab that face there. Right click then and subdivide, and here on number of cuts increase that to 2. There we go. Now press 1 so we can select vertices, and you can see it's increased, or it's actually added some extra vertices on the edge here quite nicely and equally. So let's grab that one there and then that one there, and then let's right click and connect vertex paths. Let's repeat that until we've got these filled up. One there, right click, connect vertex paths. That one there, and that one there. Right click, connect vertex paths. Last one. There we go. Let's see what that's done. And yeah, that's improved that. There's a slight crease there, but it's okay, that's fine, we can live with that. Okay. Let's see what we can do on the ends now. So let's tap back into edit mode again. And let's press 3 so we can select faces. Let's grab this face here, and this face here. Press 7 on the numpad so we can see from above. And let's extrude that in the X. So E and X, and bring that out to about there. Like that. Cool. Let's press 2 so we can select edges. Select that edge there, press Ctrl R, and put a loop in just there. And now let's put a loop in just there maybe. And we'll put another one in as well. Ctrl R. About there, like that. That's cool. Okay, let's press 3 so we can select faces. Let's grab this one, and this one, and this one down here. And we'll extrude those in the Y. So E and Y, and just bring those out to about there, like that. Now select this face again, and press E and Y, and extrude that some more. Just something like that. Let's grab that, let's make sure we can select edges now. And select this edge here and press Ctrl B and see if we can bevel that edge in. A couple of extra vertices, maybe that many. So we've got 4 vertices, and yeah, that'll be fine. Let's grab this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge as well. We don't think we need those anymore. So let's go down, select this one, and then let's go ahead and right click and dissolve edges. Now let's grab this edge here and bring that down, and grab this edge here and take this up. And then let's grab this edge, and this edge. Let's press Ctrl B and let's try beveling those. All right, that's cool. Yep, that's what we want. I wonder if we actually try taking that out a little further, so we could select this face, or select 3 so we can select faces, select this face, hold down Control, and maybe go to about there like that. And let's just try moving that out on the y-axis, and just moving it down slightly too, like this. Let's press 2 so we can select edges. Just grab this edge here and just pull this down a little bit. There we go. Okay. Let's see if we can select these edges. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's right click and dissolve those edges. And now let's see if we can select that entire outer edge. So we'll select this one, and we'll hold down Control and go to there. Hold down Control. Keep on holding Control and just working away around the edge until we get down to the other side. Maybe even that bottom one there. There we go. All right, let's press Control B and see if we can get a slight bevel going on that now. And there we go. That's it. Let's press 3 and select that face. And let's press I and see if we can inset that. We're insetting it just to add a little extra mesh. Just see if we can reduce the little ripples that are appearing on the edge. Let's tap out of edit mode and see how that looks. And yeah, that's an improvement. I think finally, let's actually go down to Object Data Properties, that one there, and go down to Normals, and let's just increase the angle there and see what that does for us. Just smooth this out. There we go. That's it. I think that's looking good. Okay, that's the end of this lecture, so let's do a quick save. So Control S. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much now. Bye-bye. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see more tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can get notified when new content drops. You can also check out my channel for more episodes of this series, or you can head over to my website to explore my full range of courses. Okay, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.